Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into how much IKEA actually pays its workers. Whether you're job hunting, curious about retail careers, or just want to know where your favorite meatball server stands, understanding these numbers is key for both future employees and savvy shoppers. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't IKEA just a furniture store? How much can they really pay? Well, hold on to your wallets because this is about to get interesting. There's a huge misconception out there that most people think retail workers are stuck at minimum wage with little room for advancement. In fact, the average US retail wage sits around $12 to $20 an hour. But IKEA turns this stereotype on its head. Their pay structure and benefits are designed to attract top talent and reward loyalty, but few people realize just how competitive these packages are. This lack of awareness means great candidates miss out and customers underestimate the level of expertise and investment behind each blue and yellow badge. So let's break it down. How much do IKEA employees really make? It's time to explore IKEA's compensation and benefits. We'll start with hourly wages and work our way up, revealing the eye-popping salaries that are changing the game in the retail industry. In the heart of every IKEA store are the friendly faces that help customers navigate the showrooms and check out their purchases. The starting hourly wage for a retail sales associate is between $16 and $22. While it may seem like a typical retail paycheck, the magic doesn't stop there. IKEA sweetens the deal with 5 weeks of paid time off, healthcare, tuition assistance, and more. Plus, as employees gain experience and show dedication, their pay can increase significantly. In fact, employees aged 25 and above can earn up to $30 per hour in frontline roles, making IKEA a lucrative choice for seasoned retail professionals. Behind the scenes, another crucial team ensures that products are stocked and ready for display and sale. Warehouse workers are vital to IKEA's operations and are compensated accordingly. Earning between $19 and $24 an hour, these roles also receive performance bonuses and have access to career development programs, professional training, and of course the full benefits package, including health insurance, 5 weeks of paid time off, and more. As we move up the ranks, the roles become more specialized, and so do the compensation packages. Customer service team leads typically earn around $51,000 per year. This position requires strong communication and problem-solving skills, and IKEA rewards those skills with a competitive salary and benefits like employee discounts, flexible schedules, paid parental leave, and more. The next step might be a store manager position, which pays around $70,000 per year. These individuals are responsible for the overall success of the store, overseeing teams, managing budgets, and ensuring customer satisfaction. IKEA recognizes the demands of this role and provides a compensation package that includes profit sharing, leadership training and development, and of course, all the perks and benefits that come with being part of the IKEA family. And now for the moment you've been waiting for, let's talk big bucks. IKEA isn't just a furniture retailer, it's a global powerhouse with a complex web of data-driven operations. To keep everything running smoothly, they employ data science managers who earn over $422,000 per year. These professionals use their expertise to optimize logistics, e-commerce, and customer experience on a massive scale. And IKEA knows that this level of skill and responsibility is worth investing in. The compensation package for data science managers includes competitive salaries, stock options, tech perks, professional development opportunities, and a slice of the company's profits. These high-paying specialist positions push the company's average salary to $86,800 a year for full-time employees, placing IKEA in a league of its own when compared to most other retailers. But that's not all. IKEA also offers lifetime employee discounts for those who stay 10 years or longer, even after retirement. Few other companies offer such generous perks to their workers. So there you have it, a glimpse into the financial world of IKEA employees. From warehouse workers to data science managers, the company offers competitive salaries, robust benefits, and growth opportunities. It's no wonder that IKEA is a destination for top talent looking to build long-term careers in the retail industry. Now you know that the person serving you meatballs and helping you navigate the world's most confusing furniture labyrinths might be making more than you think. And hey, if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on business, finance, and everything in between. See you next time.